Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to upload videos on YouTube. So I'm using Android phone. So let's say for example you want to upload a video, you open the YouTube application, and then after that here you will see the main uh, interface of the YouTube. And then after that, please click the plus sign on the middle portion, on the lower middle portion of the YouTube. Click that, and then after that, please choose the video that you want to upload. So let's say for example this one, and then you may review it.
Good day everyone. In this video,
And then after
I will
that,
share
click
with you on how
next.
to
After you click next, you may now create a title. Let's say how to change. Now, let's say you are done writing your title and also typing the description. Please make sure that the visibility is public so that it will be available for all. And for the audience, it's up to you if it's made for kids or no. Then after that, click upload and then click publish. Then please wait for it to be fully uploaded. Once it's done, you may now watch this and view it in your YouTube channel. So that's it for today.